In this video, I'll show you the different fuse box locations on the Toyota Yaris, also called the Toyota Vitz or Toyota Belta, from 2006 until 2013. So the first one, you need to go on the driver's side, open this small storage compartment, and you need to pull the door out. So unhinge it like this, and it should come away simply by wiggling it. Then you can remove this, we don't need it, and this is the first fuse box. It's located right over there. Now let me show you where the second fuse box is located. You need to open the hood of your car. So simply open it and let's go outside. So we are here. This car has been completely smashed, but typically you're gonna find on the right side a small box like this, a black box, and this is where the fuse box is located. So to open this one, it's very easy. You see there is a clip over here. Press on it like this and pull up the lid. Now there is another clip that retains this lid. It's on the back, it's hard to see. But just by unclipping the first clip, you should be fine. On the lid of this box, on the other side, you have a fuse box diagram. This way you'll know which fuse is which. Everything is clearly labeled there. Now if you go on the other side, you'll find another box, but a very small one. You just have to open the clips the same way, and you'll have some relays over here in case this is what you're searching. And if we're looking on the lid, there is a diagram as well. So thanks for watching, subscribe, like, and comment.